My name is Howard Avery. I've been here for 42 years, and I'm the manager of the machine shop.
My name is Leo Harlan. I've been with Yokogawa for 32 years. Mechanical engineer and industrial engineer.
My name is Jeff Murphy. I'm the general manager of manufacturing for Yokogawa. I've been here for approximately 40 years.
So I'm Tom Quinlan. I'm the vice president of the products business. I've been with Yokogawa for 31 and a half years now.
I'm Bhavin Patel, vice president of manufacturing and operations for Yokogawa in North America. And I have been with Yokogawa now for 32 years. Yokogawa's Building Tomorrow project is a modernization project. At the same time, it is a project that's going to bring in exciting new technologies. We are undertaking digital transformation, and we want to take both the technology, automation, and make it what I call intelligent automation.
This is not a one step and done in the modernization project. The first one is this building, this footprint on the bottom floor for manufacturing interior to totally be revamped. That's phase one. Us being tied together, phase one and phase two will change the whole customer experience as they come in and tour our factory as well. Phase two will be a sales effort. The building next door, for it to totally be redesigned, refurbished, modernized, and then to incorporate into that a large demo and training area to complement a customer experience center. On the backside of phase two, sales, they will also have the industrial design for the exterior of the building that will then be carried across to this building so that they complement one Yokogawa altogether.
The biggest probably impact would be automation, but with modernization comes efficiency. Also, if you want different results, you have to do things a little differently. So I'm anxious and excited at the same time for the opportunity for the automation and even the reduction in warehouse.
Afterwards, it's going to be a huge benefit to us. By collecting data, we can see where our quality problems might be and be able to implement improvements for those. And then by visualizing our process, we can help improve customer satisfaction.
I think the modernization project's helping support the company's long-term goals by giving us the foundation to grow. I feel like there is a sense that we're maybe maxed out in our current capabilities, both from manufacturing and from even just our work setting here. We want to grow as an organization. We need to have a facility in which we can do that as well. Teamwork, collaboration, capabilities, that all needs to be a part of this growth long-term.
When I started, there was approximately 40, 50 employees. So yeah, I've seen a lot of change. I've seen a lot of additions, acquisitions, the building next door that we acquired, the addition of the warehouse that we built. So yeah, I've seen a lot of change in the facility. Modernization is going to bring everything back into the area that it needs to be in.
We have some plans, some movement as an organization where we think we can be successful, and these, upgrades will allow us to start meeting some of those initiatives and really driving, the future growth of Yokogawa. Be able to deliver more product quickly, and in the business we're in, I mean, that sometimes, from an MRO requirements, that is needed.
Well, we should be able to supply our parts quicker to the assembly lines and then therefore cut the lead time to the customer.
As an organization, you want your employees to get excited about something, right? And we've been working and planning for this for so long over the last 2 years that the day we knock a wall down, I think you will see a different side of the employees in this organization, right?
To spend the kind of money that it's going to cost for this project shows to me that Yokogawa's investing in Newnan. And that excites me for the staff that I have, the younger people that are coming through the organization. Yokogawa's going to be here for them. My biggest excitement, I think, is going to be having all of the departments, meaning shipping, receiving, stores, inventory, manufacturing, all under one building.
I'm excited for the employees as a whole. I think this is an incredible opportunity. It's going to bring complete different life, to this building, and they're going to see that Yokogawa is, really is ready to invest in the expansion in North America. And I think that's a huge benefit.
We believe this project is not just building tomorrow, is a one-time endeavor. Once we make these investments, that's going to be investments in both technology, but it's also an investment in people. So it's going to bring in a culture of innovation, a culture of technology, embracing new technology, things like intelligent devices, robotics, digital manufacturing at the line.
We are known for our cutting edge and our leading edge. If we're going to have that kind of outlook, our factory should mimic what we're doing. We send out quality product. We're the leader in the market, so our factory should be a mimic of what we're sending out.
Having a factory that is new also makes it a great place that is sought after by engineers. If we do our job right and incorporate the automation and the new layouts into our design, then instead of us being compared to other competitors and how they've done things, I think the roles will be reversed soon, that we will find that they are being compared to Yokogawa, the new Yokogawa that we will become.
The future is bright because there is a tremendous level of opportunities and excitement around growing our business in North America. Growing our business and finding homes for our products in industries that are not our core industries today, but they will become our core industries tomorrow. So finding new markets, finding new customers for our products, and injecting now technology, doing the digital transformation, creating a factory that embraces not only the technology, but it brings in the culture of innovation. It allows for room for our people to thrive, and to a larger extent our communities to thrive with our people as well. And that is the reason it's never been more exciting.